Hi ETT squad, we're staying at the Yacht Beach Club Resort, and guess what? Beaches and Cream is open. Oh yeah. Look, soft opening. I mean, that's a huge Christmas present. Christmas Eve, December 24th. Let's go check it out. Here we have Lena. I can't believe it's open right now, right?
Yes, we're doing a soft opening for our guests today and tomorrow, so just walk in.
How exciting.
And Thursday is officially back on reservation.
Let's go right in.
Ready for you.
It's our turn.
Here we go.
Our table. And let's check out the menu. You got new specialty shakes. Check them out. Storm Long Shake, Strawberry Mini Shake, Chocolate Brownie Shake, and Mickey Confetti Shake. They have hot off the grill. You got your hamburgers, different type of sandwiches. Then you look at the desserts. You got apple pie a la mode. Wow. All right, so we decided what we're gonna order. We are gonna take the French dip.
Okay. Are we going to split it?
Yes, we are. We're gonna try that, and then we're gonna try the chicken soup. Oh yeah.
Are you going to split that as well?
Probably.
Would you
yeah.
like me to bring that out first?
Yes, you can.
You got it.
And then the tater tots, the famous tater tots.
All
We're
right.
gonna try that. Looks pretty good. And then for
Did
shake,
you want it plain or you want the?
what does it come with?
There's some. The sock hop comes with cheese and onions. The cheese sauce and onions. Then you have one with chili, cheese, and onions. And then we have bacon, cheese.
Just plain.
Plain. You got
Yeah.
it.
And then specialty shakes. What do you think we're gonna get, Lovey? What do you want to get? We're gonna get the Minnie Mouse shake. Yep, matching Minnie Mouse shirt.
All right.
When the day is hot and steamy, ice cream is so cold and creamy. Put it in a cone, put it in a cup. I'm just gonna eat it up.
Here we
Yeah.
go. Minnie to Minnie.
Minnie to Minnie, look, Minnie to Minnie. That's the front. Look at that, how pretty. Wow, look at the bow. I love how it's like a cupcake on top, and then it's Oreo cookies with a beautiful mini bow. It's a strawberry shake. Looks delicious.
Dream of something sweet.
We just got the chicken soup. Let's try it. Smells good. What is it? Noodles and chicken. It's like, is it little stars? It looks like little stars. Get closer so you can show them. It's almost like a camel soup. Let's try it. It's not bad. It's good.
And then so they split it for us, right?
Yeah, it's one big giant bowl and they split it for two. And how much is it? What's the soup?
I think it's $8.
$8 for the chicken soup. All right, so we're gonna try the chocolate brownie shake, and this one's $15 too, right? So they put a big giant brownie, and you get to keep the cup too. So let's try this one. Let's see how this one is.
Food's ready here too.
Oh wait, our food's here. Let's
That you're fine. It's the
try this,
au
see how it
jus.
is.
And I have an extra plate for you so you can split it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it comes with fries?
Yes, comes with
Oh, I
fries.
didn't know it came with fries. Okay, we'll see. Oh, and they put pickles on there. Yeah, so chocolate shake. What is this called? This is the French dip, which is different French dip. And some fries, pickles, and you got your gravy to dip in there. And it looks like it has like little onion rings.
Make the pickles disappear.
I know, make the pickles disappear. Hold on, I gotta give you. Let's do the French dip.
French dip.
Tell us how you like it, Bobby.
Dip. The French dip.
How do you like it? Is it good? Is it bad? What do you think? What should we tell the ETC squad?
It's good. It's a French dip.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. And what was the cost for the French dip here at Peaches
I think
and Cream?
17. And it comes with fries.
It comes with fries. Here's
Which
the fries
we
right
didn't
here.
know that.
Yeah, we didn't know that. And then so we ended up ordering tater tots. And the tater tots are what? $7, $6?
6. The fries are good. Fries are
Fries
good.
are good.
Fries are good.
Yeah, the fries are good. They're a little kind of greasy. I mean, right now they seem like they're overcooked.
Let's see. Tater tot.
Tater tot. The fries are okay. I mean, they're fries. They're kind of cold and they're you know when they're overcooked. Wait, I'm letting them know, Lovey. They're overcooked. See how they're brown? So they're cold. So I probably have to get some fresh fries. I don't like them. And then the French dip. Lovey had a bite. Let me take a little bite. It's okay. I mean, it's peaches and cream. I was expecting a little bit more. Let me try the shake. It's okay. It's on my 85% dark chocolate. It's a little kind of sweet. So I'm going to have to make it better with some tater tots.
Sleep till I come. Dream of something sweet. I will be there soon to